Hello student, today we will start with lesson number 1.6, the peacock and the crane. So this question and answer exercise, this you have to write in your English workbook and notebook also. So first question is, write the meaning of the following words. Conceited, very proud, vain, arrogant. So there are three meanings for this word. Next is pale, dull. Gorgeous, extremely beautiful and attractive, magnificent, stunning. Scoffed at, laughed at rudely and scornfully. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. So this is a phrase. Good looks or flashy clothes may not be really important or impressive. Then is question number 2. Read the following sentence carefully and choose the correct meaning. First one, the peacock had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So there are three options given here. Out of this, one option you have to tick mark it. Select it. No other bird had a tail as gorgeous as the peacock. The peacock's tail was more beautiful than any other bird. All birds had gorgeous tail. So the second one, this you have to tick mark because this is the correct answer. Fine feather don't make fine birds. So here also three options are given. You cannot use feathers to make birds. You can judge something by its outward beauty. Something that looks beautiful may not really be useful. So the third option is correct. So this you have to tick mark it. Question number 3 is, who said the following words and to whom? Look at my feather, the peacock said to the crane. I am dressed like a king. The peacock said to the crane, I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. The crane said to the peacock. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. Who scoffed at whom? The peacock scoffed at crane. Why did the peacock spread his tail? The peacock spread his tail because the crane's feathers were pale and colorless, while the peacock had a gorgeous tail with colorful feathers. The crane could fly high among the clouds and stars and see the beauty of the earth. But the peacock cannot fly but can only show his grown tail. Question number 3. In which way did the crane differ from the peacock? The crane could fly high among the clouds and stars and see the glory of earth. But the peacock cannot fly but only can show his gorgeous tail. Next question is, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is fine feather don't make fine birds. Here is question number 5. Choose the correct word from the given in the bracket. So this word, some words are given in this bracket. From this you have to select and write in front of this sentence. The student laughed at Gideon for his untidiness. So the answer to this question is scoffed at. The rich man showed off his wealth in front of his staff. Boasted. From space, the astronaut could see the magnificence of God's creation. Answer is gorgeous. The woman's arrogant behavior brought an end to her business. Conceited. And the last one is, the Taj Mahal looked stunning on a full moon day. Glory. Answer is glory. Next is, find 5 adjectives that end with ful, full, and B1 is less, less. Then write the antonyms of each. Antonyms, you know what? Antonyms is opposite word. So adjective ending in full: beautiful, careful, colorful, harmful, tactful. Antonyms of these words: ugly, careless, colorless, harmful, tactless. Next is tasteless, tasteful, lawless, lawful, limitless, limited, meaningless, meaningful, painless, painful. Now next question is list 5 adjective and 5 nouns from the story. Adjective: considered, gorgeous, colorless, dull, colorful. Nouns: peacock, crane, tail, bird, feather. Next question is imagine you are the crane. What action and word of the peacock would you not like? Write about it in short. So if I were a crane, I would not like the conceit of the peacock. I would not like the way he scoffed at my feather, calling them pale and colorless, while spreading and showing off his own tail. I also would not like the way he boasted about his own feathers, saying that they shone in the colors of the rainbow and that he was dressed like a king.